Welcome back, fellow entrepreneurs. Today, I want to talk to you about a topic that often gets misrepresented in the business world, the laundromat industry. You see, many people are lured by the idea of a set and forget it passive income stream, but as a laundromat owner-operator with multiple establishments, I'm here to share the truth. So sit tight and get ready to embark on this journey with me. So before we delve into the realities, let's debunk the myth. A passive income stream is often associated with minimal effort and constant cash flow. Let's use the term automation to represent what we perceive to be passive income. After all, customers come in, load their laundry, and the machines does the rest, right? All you need to after that is come in with a bucket and collect all the quarters. Easy revenue, right? However, in the laundromat business, that's far from the truth. The only fact is that laundromats involve less direct customer interaction than some other businesses. The reality is far from a hands-off experience. Maintenance, repairs, equipment upkeep, and even managing the premises require active involvement and continuous attention. Contrary to popular belief, a laundromat business demands diligent management to ensure its smooth operation. From monitoring machines for malfunctions and addressing maintenance issues promptly to handling cash management and bookkeeping, various operational challenges require active participation. No matter if you have your first or several laundromats, your customers will depend on you for clean and reliable machines. But here's the catch. Equipment maintenance is an ongoing challenge. Machines break down, plumbing issues arise, and regular maintenance becomes a necessity. Neglecting these tasks can lead to frustrated customers, revenue loss, and a tarnished reputation, creating a potential business failure. In any business, customer satisfaction is key. The laundry industry is no exception. To thrive, you must go beyond providing clean machines. Customers appreciate excellent service, assistance, and a welcoming environment. As an owner-operator, you must be present, address customer questions, and promptly resolve any issues that arise. Remember, happy customers will keep coming back and will be your advocate outside of the business. Hey there, if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could do me a quick favor. Smash that like button right now and show some love. And while you're at it, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you faced in the laundromat business? Leave a comment below and let's share our experiences. Now let's get back to the rest of the video. Now let's talk about competition. In densely populated areas, laundromats are a common sight. To stand out and remain successful, you must constantly adapt. Stay ahead of the competition by conducting thorough market research, understanding customer preferences, and offering additional services. Complacency can quickly lead to declining profits and loss of clientele. Running a single or multiple laundromats means managing staff. Hiring, training, scheduling, and maintaining morale all fall on your shoulders. A well-staffed establishment ensures smooth operations and a positive experience for customers. Effective communication and leadership skills are crucial for success in staff management. Lastly, let's talk about technology. The laundromat industry is evolving and staying up to date is essential. Cashless payment systems, mobile apps, and smart machines are just some of the advancements that can improve customer convenience and attract a broader customer base. No longer are the days of simple fixes to the machines. You now need some software knowledge to quickly resolve issues from advanced technologies. Staying ahead of these changes requires a proactive approach, adapting to new technologies and investing in equipment upgrades. Entrepreneurs, I hope this journey through the realities of the laundromat business has inspired you rather than discouraged you. Yes, it's true that running a successful laundromat business demands dedication and hard work, but it's also an opportunity for growth, profitability, and personal fulfillment. Imagine the satisfaction of providing a valuable service to your community, of seeing happy customers walk in with piles of laundry and leave with clean, fresh clothes. Imagine the pride of building a thriving business from the ground up, creating job opportunities for others, and making a positive impact. Sure, there will be challenges along the way, maintenance issues, customer demands, and competition. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth and improvement. With determination, strategic thinking, and a customer-centric mindset, you can overcome any obstacle that comes your way. So don't be fooled by the myths. Embrace the truth and let it fuel your entrepreneurial spirit. Learn from those who have succeeded before you, stay informed about industry trends, and continuously innovate. Surround yourself with a supportive network of fellow entrepreneurs who understand the journey you're on. So if you're ready to embrace the challenges, the hard work, and the opportunities that lie within the laundromat business, go for it. Believe in yourself, stay persistent, and keep your eyes on the vision of a successful and fulfilling venture. I wish you all the best on your journey in the laundromat industry. Remember, with passion, dedication, and the right mindset, you can turn the laundromat business into a thriving and personally rewarding endeavor. Again, thank you for watching, and as always, keep hustling and stay inspired.